Hello and welcome to this spell tutorial. So here's what you will need. You will need a glass bottle filled with milk or some sort of water as an offering, a lighter, some incense, whatever, and that's going to be used as an offering, some dried rose petals, a piece of paper, something to write on, a vessel for water, and then either a fire pit, a fireplace, or a fire-safe container. And that's what you will need. So first you're going to light your incense as an offering, and this is also when you can start welcoming in your ancestors or any deities that you work with, spirit guides, if you want to, or just simply light the incense. Use the smoke to cleanse yourself. You can also cleanse any of your tools that you are working with here, like I'm doing here. And just breathe it in and really just kind of get into a meditative, relaxed state. Then you're going to pour out your milk or your water as another offering, again, for the ancestors, deities, any energies that you are working with, or simply pour it out as a thank you to Mother Earth. And then you can just sort of say a blessing or prayer here, whatever feels good for you. And I was using oat milk here, but you can use whatever you'd like. Alrighty. Then you will be writing down on the piece of paper whatever it is that you are wanting to release from your life, whatever it is that you're no longer wanting. Maybe this is a bad habit, maybe this is just an incident in your life that you're ready to move past, maybe some just bad habits that you have, ways of talking to yourself. Hold the paper in your hand, really infusing that into the paper, whatever it is that you are releasing. Infuse it into the paper and hold it until you really feel that that paper is embodying the thing or the item or the energy or whatever it is that you're releasing. And then when you feel ready, you are going to light the paper on fire. I was kind of having a problem here because it was a little bit windy outside, but you want to light your paper, put it in the container wherever it is that you're burning it, and watch it burn. And know that as it is burning, as you're visually seeing this burn up, so too is the energy of whatever it is that you're releasing. It is being burned up no more. As the smoke rises, it's being released from your life. Then take your container with water. You can put whatever kind of water you want in it, river water, rainwater, hose water. That's what I used. And then you're going to sprinkle rose petals onto it, really just infusing this, kind of blessing the water with the rose petals, infusing it with just some really good, light, beautiful, loving energy. However many rose petals you want to put in there, that is up to you. Use your intuition. You're then going to hold the vessel in your hands and think of something that you want to bring into your life. We've removed something, and so now it's time to bring something in. Really infuse this water with the good energy that you're wanting to bring into your life. And when you feel that water has been infused, and the water represents that goodness flowing into our lives, you're then going to pour that out into the earth, knowing that that good stuff is going to be coming towards you soon. And there you go. So this spell can be used. I did this on Beltane with my son and daughter, but you can really do this whenever. It would be especially potent during a full moon. But there you go.